Hey guys, it's Dennis here with Team Deveru, and today is part number 2 series showing you how to make $100 per day with solo ads. And today, like I said, it's part number 2 and we're gonna have a look to niche selection, which is important. So let's jump to the first slide and let's have a look. So niche selection, finding profitable niche. So there are thousands of potential niches and markets to choose from. The key is ensuring the niche is profitable and has an opportunity for you to earn money from as an affiliate. It is important to pick the right niche or market for your moving forward. If you pick a niche or market without much opportunity, then it can be a struggle to be able to profit and earn money from, which makes sense, right? So competitive niches are called competitive for a reason, right? Because it is a lot of demand within the niche and a lot of marketers are promoting products or services for this competitive niche. So that means that a lot of people are searching for different solutions for problems they face to be solved. So you want to actually find a competitive niche with a lot of demand and a lot of problems that you can solve for them with your products. So let's have a look to a couple of points. So a couple of points for profitable niche selection. So the niche or market has a high potential for profitability. There is a lot of people interested and actively searching for information within the niche or market. So that would be information to resolve their problems. And you are at least somewhat interested or even passionate about the niche or market. This part, it's not necessary, but it is a good starting point for future work that you're gonna need to keep going and keep creating for this business. So it's gonna be easier for you to actually work on a topic that you are interested or passionate about. All right, so don't worry about the competition too much. Competition is good because it demonstrates there is a high potential for profit. Choose the niche that has a tremendous amount of pain, problems to be solved. These niches are the best ones because it has a high demand for it. So more problems with that niche that have products to solve that problems means that you can make a lot of money. So let's have a look to the top 3 niches that will never die just because of problems to be solved in these niches. So let's jump to the next slide, which we have top 3 niches that will never die. So the first one is health, and then is wealth, and the last one is relationship. So in these 3 big niches, you have a lot of problems to be solved on daily lifestyle basis for pretty much everyone. Me, you, and all other human beings. So evergreen profitable niches are these ones that will never die, and combining with evergreen products, it's a win-win always. So that's mean products and services that you will be promoting within these niches. So later on in the slides, I will show you 3 examples. So actually an example for each of these 3 top niches. And now let's jump to audience research. I just want to put a couple of points. So audience research. So very important part of any online or offline business is that you need to know your audience. So that's mean you need to know your audience within the niche that you have selected. Why? Let's have a look. So know your audience, your avatar, your audience pain points. So you need to know your audience, your avatar, and the pain points of this audience. So people want to get their problems solved. Understand who your market target is. So basically know your audience, and that's how you can help them with the products to solve that problems. And the last part is you need to know your audience pain points in order to provide a solution. If you want to get the simplest way how to build an online business in one phrase, it would be people want to get their problems solved. So identify the pain points of your audience and make your product a solution for those problems. So that's how you connect all the dots. So choose the niche, find their pain points, find a solution for their problems, so the pain points, give massive value, and repeat the process. And you're gonna make money from the product that you promote to them to help them and solve their problems. So let's have a look to one example. So here we have the 3 big niches that will never die, and here you can see that you can narrow down the big niche to a sub niche and a sub niche where you can focus it. So let's say that you are interested and passionate about keto diet, so that means that keto diet is a sub niche of the big health niche, and you're gonna be focusing to solve the problems to help people with keto diet by giving value and solution products. So if we have a look to the other ones, so wealth is the niche, sub niche it's gonna be online marketing, and sub niche it's gonna be affiliate marketing where you can focus it. And for the relationship, let's go with sub niche of dating, and let's go with sub niche that could be get your ex back, just for an example. So on each of these sub niches, you want to identify the pain points of your audience and then create the content to help them to solve their problems, so the audience, to giving them the products and services. And here we come to the first video where I have shared with you about solo ads. So you're actually using solo ads vendors traffic to send these problem solving products to their subscribers, and at the same time you are creating your email list with your opt-in page, and in the back end you're actually having an email marketing autoresponder sequence where you give additional valuable content and promote similar products to the main one. But you don't need to go in these 3 big niches. I just want to share with you the big 3 niches that will never die. So you can go in any niche you are passionate about or interested, like a dog niche if you actually like dogs, or you can go to a self-improvement niche. You have a lot of products to promote and help people about that, or any other niche that you would like to go. So this would be everything for today's video. So today I just want to share with you the niche selection and why is that important that you select the competitive niche that has a lot of interest in and that has a lot of problems to solve, and that you have actually products to promote to them to actually help them to solve problems on their daily basis. Alright, so in the next video we're gonna have a look to products that you can promote and where to find them, so you can create your list of products that you would like to promote before we jump to solo ads providers research.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.